Can I tell you something that really scared me when I first moved to the school, and I just need to get it off my chest? So when I first came here, I was quite scared because I didn't have any friends. But I had an imaginary friend, and he made me feel comfortable, like I had friends and I wasn't alone. We used to do everything together. He used to listen to me, he used to play with me when I was lonely and my friends wouldn't play with me. But when I made new friends, I felt like I grew out of him and I stopped talking to him. And it was quite hard, but I let go of him. But he didn't really want me to let go of him. He got jealous of my other friends. And that's when things started to go wrong.
Are you okay? I made new friends.
Sierra?
Hi, miss.
So the party started, you're missing it. Are you not coming?
Oh, yeah, I'll be right there.
Who are you talking to?
Strange things started happening at school. Things that I couldn't explain, scary things, and no one would listen to me or believe me. My friends started to disappear and they stopped talking to me. Odd things would happen to them. They were getting hurt every now and then. Olivia! It turned out Freddie didn't like to be ignored. That was his name, Freddie. And the more I ignored him, the more angry he got. I couldn't understand it. He was my imaginary friend. He wasn't real. But somehow he started to hurt people for real. And it was like he was trying to get revenge on me. I started seeing him in strange locations. He almost turned into like a stalker. But at some point he just left. I couldn't understand why, but he was just gone. But it still gives me nightmares to this day. He could appear at any moment when I'm on my own. When I find myself thinking about him, I never know if he's going to turn up. He's out there somewhere. Thanks for listening. I just really needed to tell someone, and I thought you'd be the person to listen.
Don't worry about it, it'll be okay. Anyway, my friend's waiting for me. I gotta go.